I didn't even realize how bad I lost myself. I was showing up, doing everything right, checking the boxes, being disciplined, but I wasn't present. I was living in autopilot. Comfortable, but completely unaligned. I allowed people and patterns into my life that didn't reflect the woman I wanted to become. I kept peace at the cost of my own. And the worst part, I didn't even notice it was happening. Then my body started to speak. I was tired, dealing with acne, bloated, burnt out. No matter what I did, I felt like my body was fighting me. But it hit me. I can't grind my way into change. I can't restrict or push my way into alignment. Because the truth was, I was still holding onto a version of me who wanted to stay stuck. Everything shifted the moment I stopped performing and started listening. And for the first time in a long time, I chose me. I burned the habits, the stories, the people-pleasing. And piece by piece, I came home to myself. And I became a woman I'm proud of. Not because she's perfect, but because she's real. So if you're in a place where you've lost sight of who you are, just know that you don't have to stay there. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're just waiting to remember who you are. And when you're ready, you can burn what's no longer yours and finally become her.